Hi and welcome in this new video. Today I'm here to teach you how you can make more money in your business. So probably if you're watching this video, it's because you have a company, you have some sort of entrepreneurship journey and you need to make more money, maybe to go live alone, to buy a Lambo, to go to the next level with your business. Maybe create more wealth for yourself or make more money to invest more, whatever you want. But now, today, in this video, watch it until the end. I will give you 5 tips on how you can make more money in your business. It's simple little tips and tricks that helps you to get more money doing already what you do every day. So let's go straight into the first point, that it is how to make more money. It's simple. Increase the price of your product. Because if you think sell a $10 pen or a $15 pen, it's the same effort and it's the same deal. Okay, sell a $10 pen and a $1,000 pen, it can be different. But if there is a little margin and a little different, it doesn't matter. The type of the deal is the same. Same thing with your product. For example, in my company, for example, websites, now I tend to charge a little bit more at every contract I do, because I see that people they are just afraid to spending, but not to spending 10 or 100 more dollars for a good service. And then once you get some experience, your quality of work get better, your support get better, and everything becomes better. So you can let the people pay you more money, because it's the same effort, as I said before, close a deal with more money involved. So you simple start to increasing the price of your product. There is a little saying that it says that if at least 20% of your customers doesn't complain about the price that it's too high, your price is too low. Because if everybody accepts your price and tell you that this is a good deal, probably you are not charging the right money for that product, and you need to charge more money. So start from this and you will find a big difference at the end of the year, already at the end of the month. The second point is to have more products, because you can have a social media marketing agency, you can have a store, you can have a content creator company, but you need more products so you can cover a biggest piece of the pie of the marketplace, and then you can create a little upsell for your clients. For example, if a client buy a website from me, I will tell to them that if they do a recurring fee for the managing the website, they don't need to think to anything. Or if they have the website, they need traffic, and they also need the social media package to drive traffic to their website. This is an example on how I used other products to create upsell for my business. The third point is find more clients. I already made some videos on my channel. You can go search on how I got my first client and how to get more clients in general. And it's not really difficult. You just need the right strategy. For example, now the strategy that I found it works pretty good for me. I can say that it's the best strategy until now, and now I am testing what is the best conversion rate, and it is Google AdWords. When people search for a result on internet for my service, I will get first and display my website, so people click and they watch my service. My website, it's already well built and it can convert a lot of sales and clients. Now I am testing between a video on the home page and without a video. And then I have already tested different type of campaigns, budget and other stuff with Google Ads. So I advise to you to try to advertise more your company and try to do something new to get new and more clients. So if you already do these 2 points, you increase the price and you get more customers, you will you will already make, for example, double of the money of the month or the year before. So the third point is to spend money in advertising, because advertising is really important. If people don't know you, they will never buy from you. This is a fact. It's not a simple message that you read on Instagram. So it's important that people know you, your company, what you do, what your past works, and everything about you, how they contact you, and what's your products and services. So my advice to you is to go online, search online. Maybe you can go to a Craigslist of your local area and search if people are searching for your services. You can have a good website for your business. Create your social media pages. It don't takes too much time. You simply, if you are the business owner and you work at your restaurant every day, at every meal time, breakfast, lunch and dinner, you post a picture of your happy clients, a picture of some food, and a picture of the kitchen. And now you have your social media present. And then it's maybe also important to try the physical offline advertising. Now I have not already tried this, but in future I will try absolutely this. Maybe put my brand on a big sign on the street and see if it works. But since it's a business to business, it's less likely to work. Maybe a business model like business to client, it's better to do this type of advertising. But you can try and invest some money in this. And the fifth and last point that I find it's one of the most powerful one. And by the way, keep watching the video because I have a bonus for you at the end. So the fifth point, it's listen video to get tips. Listen podcast in background when you are working, when you are driving, when you are working out. I already said this in other videos, but it's really changed my mind, because yes, I also listen to music, but during my biggest part of the day I will learn something new through podcast and interview on YouTube. For example, this morning during I have worked at a website of a client, I have listened to an 1.5 hour interview of Grant Cardone, and it's really amazing. And then on this type of learning, in when you go walking, for example, when I was out and walking on my own, listening a Tai Lopez podcast, and he introduced the concept that the product it's Batman and you are Robin, not the inverse. You should focus all the attention on the product and not on yourself. And this really changed my mind. So when I am every time to a business meeting, I will have in my mind this tip, and it helps me a lot. Show the product and see that the product is the king of my service. It's not me. I am just the person that gives you and create this product, but the value is in the product. So this was fifth point. Are you ready for the bonus? The bonus, it's simple. analyze your business expenses and cut them off, because I think that everybody can save money from the business expenses. For example, the car, take a car that consumes less gas for your business, or simple, don't go out with clients to have lunch, but just drink something and spend less money. When you go work out, maybe take the food from home, don't go to the restaurant. This is some little tips, and to do this you should track your expenses. I have my business expenses in a Excel spreadsheet. I have everything in, everything out, and where the reason who sent me the money and why I send out some money. So for this video it's everything. Click the button like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.